In this video, you'll learn how to change the availability zone in AWS EC2. This process is essential when you need to migrate your instance to a different zone, whether for load balancing, redundancy, or just optimizing your resources. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly switch availability zones for your EC2 instances. First, let's begin by opening the EC2 console. Once you're in, look for the Instances option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will display a list of all your current instances. Now, find the instance that you want to migrate to a new availability zone. Once you've selected the appropriate instance, navigate to the Actions drop-down menu. Hover over Image and Templates, and then select Create Image from the list of actions. At this stage, it's important to give your image a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might choose a name like Server Migration to easily identify it later. After naming your image, click on Create Image. Now, you'll need to wait a few minutes for AWS to process this request. It's a perfect opportunity to grab a cup of coffee or check some emails. Your patience will pay off soon. Head over to the AMI section in the left sidebar and keep an eye on the status of your image. Once it changes to available, you're ready to move to the next stage. Now that your image is ready, it's time to launch the new server in your target availability zone. Go back to the AMI's page, find your newly created image, and click on Launch Instance from AMI. This action will guide you to the instance configuration page. Here, you'll find several options, but our focus is on the network settings. Scroll down until you reach this section and click on Edit. In the network settings, you'll see an option for subnet. This is where you need to make the crucial change. Select the specific availability zone you wish to move your instance to. For example, if you're wanting to switch locations from US East 1A to US East 1B, this is where you'll make that adjustment. Changing the subnet is the key to effectively altering the availability zone of your new instance. Finally, with your new subnet selected, click on Launch Instance. AWS will proceed to launch the instance in the availability zone you specified. And there you have it. Your instance is now running in the new availability zone. Changing availability zones can seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these steps, you can easily manage your resources to suit your operational needs. Remember, the ability to switch zones can help with optimizing performance, improving redundancy, and even managing costs more effectively. Always make sure to double-check your configuration before launching to avoid any potential hiccups. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has made the process of changing availability zones in AWS EC2 clear and manageable for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy cloud computing.